5 phrases an older woman says when she wants you. Gentlemen, older women have mastered the art of seduction, but their signals aren't always obvious. Curiosity ignited? Perfect, because today we're decoding the hidden meanings behind 5 alluring phrases she'll use when she wants you. These aren't just words, they're invitations. Are you ready to read between the lines? When she says this, it's not just about a compliment. It's her way of bridging the age gap and making you feel confident. This phrase plants the idea that she sees you as an equal, someone who can handle her fiery confidence and sophisticated charm. Subtly, she's praising qualities she finds irresistible. What she's hoping for is a response that shows you get it, turning her compliment into chemistry. Don't miss the signals, lean into the moment, and show her you're as intriguing as she already suspects. Playful yet flirtatious, this phrase hides an electrifying tease. Whether it's about a new hobby, trend, or just something simple, her request isn't about learning, it's about creating proximity. Teaching means spending time together, finding connection, and adding a subtle layer of intimacy. She's taking an interest in your world to draw you closer, so play along, take the lead, and show her you're confident enough to guide her into your universe. This phrase is pure seduction, wrapped in intrigue. It's her way of making you feel like you're not just another face in the crowd. She's sparking your confidence and telling you something rare. You've caught her attention, and that's no small feat. If she drops this line, don't brush it off. Match her energy, flirt back, and maintain the light air of mystery that captured her in the first place. Leave her curious for more. This isn't just idle small talk. It's her finding a playful excuse to relate to you, invite humor, and keep the spark alive. She doesn't really care about trends. She's presenting herself as approachable and easy to vibe with, creating an opening for deeper connection. Her tone, her smile, the glimmer in her eyes, it's all part of the game. Show some quick wit, throw a playful barb her way, and you'll turn her curiosity into magnetic attraction. This phrase is a thrilling challenge disguised as skepticism. It's not her doubting you, it's her letting you know she's intrigued and waiting to see if your charm is as real as it feels. This is your moment to prove you're authentic, confident, and as smooth as you sound. Pro tip: meet her sass with transparency and confidence. Let her know you mean what you say, while sprinkling just enough banter to drive her wild. She's testing you because she already likes what she's seen so far. Now, seal the deal. Now that you've decoded the signals, it's time to act. Confidence is key. Respond to her cues with authenticity and charm to keep the chemistry sizzling. If you catch these phrases, don't hesitate. Turn words into connection and make her want more time with you. Older women know what they want. The question is, do you have the spark to keep up? Like, share and subscribe to stay ahead of the game, and keep owning your irresistible edge. The stage is yours. Time to make your move.